Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming device compatibility and gathering what the carrier gives you, a QR code, activation code, or SMDP plus address. Once done, make sure system updates are installed. Updates often fix provisioning bugs. You don't need to remove the physical SIM yet. Next, enable Wi-Fi or mobile data so the phone can reach the carrier. Now open Settings and go straight to Network or Connections. That's where you'll add the new profile. So let's proceed. You tap Add Carrier and choose Scan QR code or Enter code. Scanning is faster, but manual input works the same. After scanning, the phone contacts the carrier and begins provisioning. This can take 30 seconds to a few minutes. Make sure the phone stays online and do not switch airplane mode. Once provisioned, you'll see the new profile listed. Assign it for data, calls, or both. If you use dual SIM, set your preferred line for data and choose which SIM rings for calls. You finalize by labeling the eSIM so you can tell lines apart. Common labels are primary and travel. Once labeled, restart the phone to finalize network registration. Then make a test call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm data. Check APN settings if data fails. If something goes wrong, try toggling airplane mode, rebooting, or removing and re-adding the eSIM profile. If service still fails, contact the carrier with your activation details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.